and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. I'm so excited. Honestly, I am. I am going to do this quick zipper tutorial for someone who requested it on the dish drying mat. We're not going to do anything crazy. All right, we're going to take the tag off. Okay, we took the tag off. We're going to pick a zipper. I am using Zipper by the Yard. You do not have to use Zipper by the Yard. You can buy your zippers wherever you want. Yeah, that is not what I want. What color do I want to use? We have different colors. I think, see this? Do you think this color works with this? I think that's pretty. Let's use that. Yeah, let's use that. All right, so I promise to make this quick and easy. We're flipping this over. And we're coming down here. And we're going to make this zipper. Now, since we're not putting any tabs on the end, we're going to make this zipper about the same length as the dish drying mat. Okay, cut that off. We need the zipper tab. I think that'll do it. Yep, that's it. Okay, now I'm going to make this even Steven as I can. I'm going to do the same here. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to put the zipper pull on here. This is not easy. Sometimes it takes me, I don't know how many tries, but and sometimes I can get it right away. So tonight, probably not that night. Today, it's not that day. I don't think. Okay. I might have to turn the camera off to do this and not waste your time watching this debacle, right? Yeah. I'll be back. Because we're not putting a zipper tab on the ends of this, I feel like we need to just sew across the bottom of this to keep the, we're just going to go right here and sew across there, and that is to keep the zipper from going off the end. Okay, so let's now you can sew over top of a plastic zipper. You cannot sew over a metal zipper. So these are plastic, these zippers that I use. Okay, we're just doing that, and we're going to do that on both ends is what I'm doing. Okay. Now, some might tell you you don't have to do this. I don't know. I'm doing it because I don't want my zipper compromised. Okay. All right. So now we can go about sewing this zipper on. So here we go. We are going to take this zipper with this zipper pull here. We're going to place this face down on the pretty side of this fabric. Okay, pretty side. We're going to go ahead and we're going to clip it. We're going to clip it. So again, what we've done is, and I know some of you know this, and maybe this is too slow for you, but I'm doing this for someone who specifically asked me to do it. So again, the wrong side of the zipper is facing up. The right side with the zipper pull is facing down towards the pretty side of the fabric. Okay? Now, I am going to put my zipper foot on. You do not have to use a zipper foot for this. Well, since you're a beginner, I'll just leave my regular foot on. We're just going to leave that on, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so you are going to make sure this zipper is up as close to the top as possible. You're going to lift the foot and put it down on top of the zipper. All right, so what I'm doing is the edge of my zipper, or the edge of my foot is on the edge of the fabric and the zipper. All right, making a couple stitches. I'm going to do a couple of back stitches. And then we're just going to sew right down along this edge. Right along the edge, trying to keep that edge of that foot right on the edge of the fabric. All right, we're going to put, when we get to the zipper pull, we're going to put the needle down and we're going to work the zipper pull past the foot of the sewing machine. We're going to keep going. When we get to the end, we're going to back stitch and then we're done. All right, so we have sewn the zipper to the bag. Now, what we're going to do next, you know, if this was to make it easier, we could cut this in half and it may make it easier for you. But I'm not going to do that. We're going to do a top stitch. We're going to pull the zipper open and we're going to top stitch right across the top of this zipper. Back stitch. All right, so we've done the top stitch. All righty, we're going to cut off any extra threads. Okay, so you know what? I think I am going to cut this in half. It'll make it easier for you then. Okay, so what you would do is fold this in half. You would cut this in half. We're going to go over and cut this in half. We know that this is about 18 inches, so we want to cut it at 9 inches. All right, 9 inches. Okay. All right. This will make it a little easier for you to sew the zipper on. Okay. So now that you've cut this in half, you're going to lay this face up and you're going to put the other face down and you're going to match these up. You see what I'm doing? Match them up just like that. And you're going to clip it. So make it easier. Cutting it in half makes it a little easier for you to put the top stitch on. You don't have to. We could have done it the other way, but I wanted to make this as simple as possible. Okay. All right. So now that we've evened this all up, we're going to go ahead and we're going to sew this other part of the zipper right on here. I'm trying to keep the edge of my foot on the edge of the fabric as we're working our way down. We are at the zipper pull. We're going to, we got the needle down. We're going to work the zipper pull past and we're just going to keep going. Back stitch at the end. I'm going to take that out. Now we have the zipper on. And what I want to do is do a top stitch on this other side as well. So we're going to do a top stitch. Now you can do it in the ditch here, which is the crease between the fabric and the zipper, or you don't have to. You can do it a little below if you'd like. Okay, now you have installed the zipper, you have done a top stitch, and now we are going to go ahead and sew the bag together. So you fold the pretty sides in on each other. Me and this thing are going to have a fight. Stay. Anyway, you want to match your sides together. And if you didn't cut just perfectly and the bottom is off a little bit, like mine is off a little bit, you can go back over and cut that extra off. And I'm going to mind, life is not perfect. And sometimes some of the most imperfect things are the most beautiful. So don't be hard on yourself. You can do this. If it's not perfect, it's fine. It's really fine. You're learning to sew, or you are making something fabulous, and we're not gonna stress over it. All right, I put my stitch length on a 3. This is a 9014 needle. This is Coats and Clark thread. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to sew this. We're going to back stitch. And I am keeping the edge of my foot right along the edge of the dish drying mat here, the fabric. We're going down, 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 stopping with the needle down, lifting the foot, turning, lowering the foot, and continuing on. Once again, keeping the foot even with the edge of the dish drying mat. If you're looking for perfection, you've come to the wrong channel. I don't do perfection. I try to do better each time. I am learning, still learning. And I want you to know that you don't have to be perfect. Okay. Nobody has to be perfect. That is too high of a standard for anybody to have to live up to. Okay, so now I'm going to trim these corners. I'm just going to cut off so that we get some of that bulk out of there. All right. We can use my pinking shears here. Taking care not to cut where you sewed. Okay, we don't want to cut where we sewed. Make sure I didn't do that. Well, I did not. Okay, good. Here I am telling you to be careful not to cut where you've sewn, and I almost did it myself. All right, I'll turn this thing right side out and see what we got. Again, this was just an easy, simple zipper tutorial for somebody who's just learning and wants to do a zipper. Zippers can be intimidating. They intimidated me for the longest time. I was afraid to even attempt a zipper. But now I've decided that the more I do them, the better I'm going to get at them. So I'm trying to do them all the darn time. So I'm pushing these edges out, or these corners out, okay? Real good. Zip it up, and there you have it, okay? So like I said, is it perfect? It's not perfect, but you've sewn a zipper. Congratulations. You did it. Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next video.